Alright guys, my name is Priyanshujan and you are watching Inside Club. In this video we are discussing the MIT WPU University MSc Statistics course. Before starting I want to share something. Here is our number and you can directly contact us for any other further details if you have any queries related to this course or any other query related to the statistics. So you can directly contact us on our WhatsApp. You can take my guidance if you need. So here this is the MIT WP University. So in this course you will see there this is a 2 years full-time course, and 17th May 2025 is the last date to apply for this course. Now you can see here the MSc Statistics program introduction is given here. Now directly we see the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is if you are a 3-year graduation from government approved institutions, and a graduation must be completed in the BSc in statistics, data science, machine learning and equivalent degree. And if you have BE degree or BSc agriculture degree and BSc computer science degree, so you are also eligible for this course. Other than BSc statistics must have statistics as one of the regular subjects in their undergraduate. Suppose that you have not any BSc degree, but you have a any other degree in which there was a regular statistics in all the 3 or 4 years, so you are the applicable or you are the eligible for this course. Now, selected criteria is the selection process for MSc Statistics is based on the MIT WPUCT entrance examination. So every year, this university conducts a entrance test. On the basis of this entrance test, students selected for this course, the exact date and time of the online examination and personal interaction will be uploaded on the website same. Now the fees, talk about the fees is only 1 lakh per year is the fees for this university. The fourth one is duration is 2 years, and the scholarship is also given by this university, which is you can see here the all scholarship are awarded on the first come first basis. First, so these are the scholarship merit based. First one is Dr. Vishwanath Karan merit scholarship, and the scholarship to elite sports person. So these are, and the criteria is also given here. So if you have a minimum level of academic of CGPA across all semesters, attendance is to be maintained at 80%, and if you want to continue the scholarship entire, so you have to uh, maintain these criterias in all the years, in all the 2 years. So thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries related to any other things, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much.